What's up, YouTube? So here we starting with a race. There. And his car, you know, what they doing down there? I don't know what they're doing. But let's get at least, I'll say, 25 likes on this video. Yeah, and they're about to race right now, so let's get to it. On your mark. Get set, go. And the car won the race. Alright, let's get it. You know what I'm saying? You want me to race him?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, right. Let's take it back down there. No, let's take it down there.
You can keep home. That's already.
I know, right? I just took off.
But you ain't recording.
I won't. I recorded my hand. Sorry about that, guys. Look at them. They about to race. On your mark. Get set. Hold on. Go. I couldn't even see.
You might let me drive it.
Alright. I'm a beast too. I'm gonna race him again.
No, I'm gonna race him while I'm driving it.
Now let me race him again.
I ain't never get racing good. Alright, ready? You still get set.
On your mark. Get set. And go. You want to push it all the way? You want to push it all the way? On your mark, get set, and go. Let me race him. Cause you just proved that you faster than him. You still good.
Are y'all racing down there?
I'm still saying it.
No, I gotta say it. No, I gotta say it. Plus, you were zoomed in the whole time.
What?
You were zoomed in the whole time.
What?
No.
Oh, I know how to zoom in.
I'm gonna say it.
I couldn't see you.
Are you marked? Set, go. Where is he going? What is he doing? Oh, where you going?
Let's start making videos.
Why? Cause you get it out.
Huh?
Why?
Let me see.
I know. Let's go make a ramp. Alright, you two, we about to make a ramp for
Hold on.
y'all. Alright, we about to make a ramp and let the car jump it. Cause it's so fast. Alright. And go follow. If you subscribe to me, go subscribe to Jazzy TV. It's all caps. And I'm gonna pause this video because we about to make a ramp. Let's go. Alright guys, we back. We just made a round bootleg, but it's okay. Yeah, let's go. Alright, let's try one. We landed, but let's try one. Alright, take two. Alright, test two, we failed again.
Y'all ready to see
Alright. Alright, guys, this is our new route.
Hey, y'all ready to see
As you can see, he's trash, but if it goes up there, I bet you it happens. Bring it back a little bit farther so it can go fast.
My car gonna turn off going like that. That's how it's gonna go. It's just gonna turn.
Alright, let me drive it. Let me drive it. Because you clearly suck.
I hope y'all didn't see that. Yeah, they did. Trash!
Trash, huh? Trash, huh?
Wanna get another video, say? Yeah. And this is a Sean, my little brother.
Look at him.
What is it? A plank. A plank. Y'all seen that now. That's the end of our video. I hope y'all enjoyed.
And make sure y'all subscribe to Jazzy TV and Them Boys X3. Try to get this video to 25 likes at least for like 30 some views. It don't matter, 0 dislikes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wait, y'all remember Jazzy TV? She right there. Jazzy TV down there. There's Jazzy TV down there. Jazz, we letting our subscribers subscribe. We shouting you out right now. Jazzy TV, Jazzy. It just went dead. Oh, Jazzy. My bad. TV. Yeah, right there. Just sit my little sister next to me on him. Alright, and wait. See the dog.
Bring him over here.
Alright, this is the end of the video. Peace.
Goodbye. Peace.